Community says that they're worried with this new burn scar, what that will mean for post-fire effects. Tonight in a community meeting at Bucky White House, the Tooele County Emergency Manager asking that residents in the area do what they can to prepare, such as looking into flood insurance, as the burn scar left from the Jacob City fire can increase potential for floods.
We're going to be doing a lot of restoration and recovery work on the canyon for a period of time into the future. However, what you can do now is ultimately the most important thing.
This especially after Soldier Creek flooded last year, damaging several homes.
There's nothing that we could do about it. It's really a helpless feeling to watch a wall of water like that hit you, go through and completely destroy the basement in a matter of minutes.
Lonnie Bates says their basement was destroyed last year.
I looked out and there's flash floods going through our yard. We could hear it destroying the basement, busting the walls, breaking out windows.
Bates saying the local community is tight-knit and what helped him last August, and that he knows they'll be there for each other whatever happens.
This particular area, the town of Stockton, is incredible in supporting their neighbors, friends and neighbors, people that we didn't know are coming from Stansbury and other areas like that to support us and help us dig out.
The Jacob City fire is now estimated at over 4,000 acres and 92% containment. Officials say that it is closer to being fully contained. Reporting live in Tooele County, I'm Kayla Baggerly, ABC4 News.